Hi, I'm Chirag.
I'm Kevin.
And I'm Zoe, and on Monday, November 28th, we're delivering a full-day tutorial on Microsoft Viva and SharePoint Syntex.
We'll be explaining what Microsoft Viva is, where Syntex fits into the equation, and above all, what employee experience really matters, and we'll cover the overview of Viva modules.
And you'll get to play with the tech too. There'll be hands-on technical sessions where you can get to grips with Viva connections, Viva topics, and SharePoint Syntex.
So if you want to spend the day with us, you can still sign up on the ESPC website. We hope to see you there.